OpenAI Sora, the video generation tool that stunned the world in February 2024, is being officially discontinued. This wasn't a quiet sunset. Sora had one of the largest waitlists in AI history and generated genuine mainstream excitement. The question isn't just what went wrong, but what this tells us about the brutal reality of turning AI demos into durable products. Runway, Kling, and ByteDance's Dance 2.0 didn't wait for OpenAI to define the market. They sprinted past it. In AI, a 12-month head start can evaporate in weeks when rivals are shipping iterative updates monthly. Sora's initial gap, which felt insurmountable in early 2024, closed faster than almost anyone predicted. When you're iterating in years and your competitors iterate in months, your launch day advantage becomes a liability. Marketing teams, indie filmmakers, small studios, these are real customers, but they are notoriously difficult to consolidate into a scalable subscription business. Unlike code generation tools that slot into developer workflows daily, video generation tends to be episodic and project-based. Users return when they have a campaign or a creative idea, not every single morning. That unpredictable usage pattern makes it extremely hard to build the kind of revenue retention that justifies continued investment at OpenAI's scale. OpenAI is simultaneously building foundation models, consumer applications, API platforms, and a rapidly expanding agent ecosystem. That is an extraordinary amount of strategic surface area for any company to manage. When you spread resources that thin, products that haven't achieved critical mass become candidates for the cutting room floor. Sora wasn't killed because it failed technically. It was cut because the opportunity cost of maintaining it outweighed what it was returning. That is a strategy problem masquerading as a product problem. Sora never convincingly answered the hardest question in product strategy: who specifically is this for, and why do they need it every single day? History shows that technically inferior tools with a clear daily workflow consistently outlast technically brilliant tools without one. Think about how sticky spreadsheets, messaging apps, and even simple note-taking tools become when they embed into a daily habit. Sora's wow factor was real, but wow factor without daily necessity is just a very expensive demo. The real lesson from Sora's discontinuation is that building a model capable of jaw-dropping demos and building a product people return to every day are two completely separate engineering and design challenges. Most AI labs have become world-class at the first problem and are still largely figuring out the second. Sustainable AI products require deep workflow integration, clear user personas, and retention mechanics that have nothing to do with model benchmarks or demo videos. Within days of Sora's shutdown announcement, Dance 2.0 from ByteDance was trending across AI communities and creator forums. This isn't coincidence. It's a precise illustration of how instantly attention and user intent reallocate in this market. There is genuine latent demand for video generation tools, and that demand doesn't disappear when a product shuts down. It simply migrates to whatever is shipping and iterating fastest. The market didn't reject video generation, it rejected stagnation. Sora's story is ultimately a case study in the gap between technological achievement and product market fit. If you are building in AI right now, the most important questions are not about model architecture or benchmark scores. They are about daily return rate, clear user identity, and workflow lock-in. The companies that will define this next era of AI won't necessarily have the best models. They will have the clearest answers to why someone opens their product first thing in the morning.